In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your iPad is not turning on. So if you're seeing a black screen and you just can't turn on your iPad, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and grab your iPad charger and plug one end into your iPad and the other end into your power outlet. You then need to leave your iPad on charge for around about 20 minutes. Now, once you've ensured your iPad has sufficient charge, you can come over to the device like so. Now, the first thing you need to try doing is holding down the power button for around about 15 seconds. So you can see in the top right hand side of the device, this is the power button, and we're just going to hold this down for 10 to 15 seconds. Now, if your device is still not turning on and the screen is still black, then we can fix this with a simple key combination. So what you need to do is press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the top right hand side of the iPad. Now let's go and do this together now. So we're going to quickly tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then hold this lock screen button down for around about 30 seconds. Now make sure to wait a full 30 seconds and you should see an Apple logo appear on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, you can then go and release this lock screen button and your iPad should now go and turn on. If it doesn't work the first time round, you can just try this combination a couple more times, and that's how to fix the issue where your iPad is not turning on.